Hey everyone, let's tackle a common problem that Windows users might encounter. So, imagine you're working on your Windows machine and you want to change the behavior of a built-in Windows command, like sort, to run a different command instead. In this case, we want to use the Unix version of sort installed by Git whenever we type sort in the command line. Frustrating, right? Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The where command in Windows provides information about the locations of executable files in the system. When we run where sort, we see that there are two paths listed, one for the Windows version and another for the Git version of sort. This tells us that the Git alternative is accessible through the system's path. In the next part of the solution, we need to focus on the %PATHEXT environment variable, which determines the order in which Windows searches for executable files with different extensions. By default, Windows prioritizes file extensions like .com and .exe. This order affects how the system looks for and executes commands like sort. If specific extensions are prioritized, it might explain why the Git version of sort isn't being used automatically. Now let's wrap up everything we've discussed. By understanding where the alternative sort command is located and how the %PATHEXT variable influences command execution, we can work towards redirecting the sort command to the Git version successfully. Remember, it's all about setting up the right environment for Windows to locate and prioritize the desired command. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below.